Everybody, I have no idea what I'm about to do. I just needed a break from work, so I decided to come up and quickly put my makeup on. Try to do something neutral to counter like the bright red. All right, this one. It's darker than I thought. I was gonna make that the lightest shade, but I might make that the darkest shade. All right, if you want to go for neutrals, might as well go for all of them. This is the Beauty Bay Nude palette. I have a swatch video for that. I'm using raw sienna to kind of fill in the lid. Then I'm going to take this one called Honesty and try to do inner corner and pull it into the rest of the look. Alright, so the other thing that I do a lot is I put the liner on the bottom and a little wing, just because it's harder for me to connect the wing through this wrinkly stuff to the rest of my lid. But I think what I'm gonna try to do is just flick and then use the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna jump back into the black eyeshadow from Huda. I gotta get over the fear. I just gotta jump in, and I'll probably put a little bit of brown underneath, but it's a crinkly mess right now, so wish me luck. Here we go. I like that very subtle neutral look. For me, it's subtle. I don't know if it's subtle for other people. All right, I'm just gonna, I already don't like it. I thought the flick would be flickier. It's too long. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. I gotta just do it. All right, same angle. That's a little better. Okay. Oh, it's so ugly looking though. I might take the end off of it. Obviously I've hooded eyes, so it doesn't look great. I'm so bad at this. Okay, I need to fix this. Primer works as an eraser. I don't like this primer by NYX. I either love NYX stuff or I can't stand it, and this primer does nothing for me, so I use it for this kind of stuff. I like that better. Still a little long. All right, wish me luck. Again. I'll fix it with concealer later too. Hello, pigment, where'd you go? Alright, I have a teeny tiny blending brush. I'm gonna try to like make that look like I didn't put a straight line on purpose. And then because I'm really self-conscious about this, I'm gonna put a lash on. Because it'll hide the imperfection of the black line, right? Is that how this works? Oh, that just got smudged. This is Maybelline Unstoppable, finishing this up because they test on animals. Are you even working here? Let's see. All right, I'm gonna go back to that Honesty Peachy Shimmer color and pull it down underneath up to the liner. Oh, I think I got something on my contact lens. All right, so I've got one on. These are the Ardell 105s. These are like my go-to lash. I unfortunately broke the left pair of this, so I've got to go with the next one, but that's okay. And I'm just using Duo Glue. I've also started putting a little bit of glue on the inner corner and outer corner. When I put it across the lash line band, it pulls up a whole bunch of eyeshadow with it, but if I just kind of tap it in where I need a little more hold, that's been working for me these past few months, I think. I think I cut this one a little shorter. Oh, you won't be able to tell. I feel like I'm getting better at lashes, but if it's all about like if the band cooperates. my look for today. I like it. And hopefully I will still feel that way when I try to film later. So thanks for watching. Bye.